Welcome to the future, where your job might just get yeeted by a robot. Artificial intelligence is no longer sci-fi, it's here, and it's coming for your 9 to 5 faster than you can say Control-Alt-Delete. But will AI steal your job, supercharge your career, or just make you work harder for less leisure? Buckle up, because today we're diving into the wild world of AI's job impact, backed by hard data and some spicy predictions. Let's go! First off, the numbers are staggering. According to the World Economic Forum, by 2027, AI could shake up 25% of jobs worldwide. That's 69 million new jobs created, but 83 million wiped out. Net loss? 14 million jobs. McKinsey says 15% of work hours could be automated by 2030, and the IMF warns that 40% of global jobs are exposed to AI, with advanced economies like the US and Europe facing up to 60% exposure. Translation: 1 in 4 workers might need to learn a new trade. Stat. So who's getting the AI boot? If you're in a routine data crunching job, you're in the danger zone. Bank tellers, cashiers, secretaries, paralegals, and data clerks, AI's already knocking. The International Labor Organization says clerical roles are the most at risk, with tasks like bookkeeping and loan processing being gobbled up by AI and robotic process automation. Meanwhile, manual jobs like cooking or construction, they're safer for now because AI still struggles with unpredictable physical tasks. But hold up, it's not all doom and gloom. AI's not just a job killer, it's a job creator too. The World Economic Forum predicts massive growth in healthcare, education, and green jobs. Think 3 million more teachers, 4 million new roles in agriculture and sustainability, and a boom in AI-related tech jobs. AI, ML engineers, data analysts, and cybersecurity pros are expected to grow by 30% by 2027. So, if you're coding AI or saving the planet, you're probably golden. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: white-collar jobs. You'd think high-skilled jobs are safe, right? Nope. McKinsey and Goldman Sachs say roles in finance, consulting, and even tech are under pressure. Entry-level paralegals, accountants, and coders, AI's coming for your spreadsheets and code bases. Anthropic CEO Dario Amodei dropped a hot take, claiming 50% of entry-level white-collar jobs could vanish in 5 years, and 90% of new code might be AI written in just months. Yikes! But before you panic, not everyone agrees. OpenAI's Sam Altman and Brad Lightcap say chill. AI's more about creating new jobs than destroying them. PwC's 2025 Global AI Jobs Barometer backs this up, showing job numbers rising in AI-exposed fields. Why? Because AI doesn't just replace, it augments. Think paralegals using AI to draft documents faster, or nurses leveraging AI diagnostics to save lives. MIT's David Autor calls this the augmentation dividend. Humans plus AI equals superpowers. Here's the kicker: AI might make you work more. A CEPR study found that AI-powered employees are clocking longer hours, not sipping cocktails by the pool. Why? Because AI boosts productivity, and companies love squeezing every drop of it. So much for that 4-day workweek dream, huh? Plus, there's a dark side. AI could widen the wealth gap. If only the tech-savvy thrive, those without access to AI tools or training might get left in the dust. So, what's the game plan? For individuals, it's time to level up. MIT Sloan School's EPIC framework says focus on human-centric skills: empathy, problem-solving, creativity, and oversight of AI systems. Think of AI as your co-pilot, not your replacement. Businesses, go all in on an AI-first strategy. Retrain your workforce, rethink processes, and prioritize ethical AI to stay competitive. Governments, step up with national reskilling programs and policies to ensure everyone gets a piece of the AI pie, not just the tech bros. Here's the big picture. AI's reshaping work like the Industrial Revolution reshaped the 19th century. McKinsey estimates AI could add $4.4 trillion in productivity, but only if we play our cards right. That means reskilling 100 to 400 million workers globally by 2030. It's a massive challenge, but also a massive opportunity. AI could democratize skills, letting non-experts tackle expert-level tasks and creating a more meritocratic job market, if we don't mess it up. So, will AI steal your job or make you a superstar? That's up to you. Embrace the chaos, learn the tech, and maybe, just maybe, you'll be the one telling the robots what to do. Hit that like button if you're ready to surf the AI wave, subscribe for more tech deep dives, and let me know in the comments, are you Team AI Augmentation or Team Robot Apocalypse? See you in the future, or whatever's left of it.